Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 78 Ford F150. I got 15-inch white spokes on it. Three of the tires are pretty good. This one's a little weak. Definitely a kind of a driving project truck. Got patina on it. Come out of western North Dakota. There's a dent on there, you know. So runs and drives. Like I said, there's tires are not perfect because that one's brand new, and then the back two are a little older. There you can see doors come open at one time. Just got a seat cover on it. Dash is cracked. Odometer shows 55,409. Have no idea original or over 100. I would assume over 100. No carpet in it. Floor is pretty solid there. You see pictures, they might have, yeah, they probably got a hole right there, a little home body work there. So you can see dings and dents, but not very rusty. Pretty decent that way. Got some in the back of this box over here. Tailgate's there, but it doesn't match, and it's kind of roached out. But like I said, that's the main rust on it. There on the back of the box there, you can see they put a little more home fixing the floor there. So definitely a project, but runs and drives. Needs a windshield. So if you're into patina trucks or just old trucks and you don't have a big budget, this one will do it for you. It can be the start of your restorations or projects or your collection. 605-695-7391.